Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today in this lovely English disgusting summer weather we're going to be fitting lowering springs into the S2000. At least today is not raining. I've never installed lowering springs before. This is going to be a first time. I don't have spring clamps or anything, so it could get a bit dangerous. Hopefully I won't kill myself. But in the past I've always went straight to coilovers instead of lowering springs, but this year, because I'm going on holiday and I had to spend £1,000 on the ferry, I can't afford coilovers right now. So I just bought these to get the car settled a little bit better. Instead of looking like a big 4x4 monster truck, it'll sit a lot nicer. So today is just going to be about installing a spring, so I hope you guys enjoy the video. Easy as that. That was fucking the easiest removal I've ever done. Let's go to the other side. And that's it, the real coils are out. It's literally 3 bolts. That's a piece of piss. That's honestly the easiest suspension I've ever done. No issues at all. The front one is the one I'm going to have issues with because I think I need to undo the front strut. It's not strut, wishbone. The top wishbone I'm going to have to remove. So let's crack on with this. Hopefully there's not a lot of tension in this and it won't go fucking flying. Fingers crossed. That was a hell of a lot easier than I thought. Just no issues at all. Saying that, I bet I'm going to have so many issues with the front. But that's the back done, I'll show you.
That's good.
So on the YouTube video, he said that the top wishbone had to be in the right position for you to tighten the bolts, because if you don't, then when you lower the car, it's actually going to stretch the bushing and damage it, potentially. So this is what we're doing. We're going to put a jack on the disc, raise the disc up, and then just tighten the top wishbone and prevent it from any damage. But got my buddy Michael down here giving us a hand as well. I feel like I've done fuck all actually, everyone just doing the job for me, but happy days. So the car's finally done. Didn't take too long actually, it was quite decent. The Civic was a lot worse because I had seized bolts at the back and stuff, but with this one, quite easy. So I would love to drop it and see how high it sits now, but unfortunately I can't. I still have all the calipers to do, so I think I'll do that during the week after I finish work. I won't make a video on that one, I just don't think I'll have time. But because I'm not making a video on the calipers, I can give you a quick tease. So that's the colour I'm going for. So I'll see. It's a bit bright. I was going for the spoon yellow kind of look because I'm going to do the engine cover that same colour. I think it'll look quite nice actually, looking at it. But I've always went for red calipers with any sort of colour, so I thought, you know what, I'll try something different. But that's the caliper side of things. Once the calipers are on, I'll bleed the brakes, drop the car, and hopefully it will look nice. Hopefully, man. Oh, I can't wait to drive it again, especially with those solid engine mounts. I've always loved solid engine mounts. But yeah, so that was today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like, comment and subscribe. Peace.
I want the viewers to know this guy does all the work. This is the Paulo, the nothing, and there's the actual mechanic. Went to college to just watch Dad there.
Did college for 4 years to watch my dad do all the work.
Do all the work.